After said and done, what happened next? Northerners blasts Arewa Youth. Arewa Youth Consultative Council yesterday wrote an open letter to President Muhammadu Buhari asking him not to scrap SARS, but he should reform it. There is also some news going on now, and this set of people are planning to protest in support of SARS in all 19 states in the northern part of the country. According to a popular Nigerian Twitter user and a columnist in Daily Trust, posted about the plan by some northerners claiming to be AYCC to protest in support and solidarity to SARS. Here are rejections from some northerners against the plan pro-SARS. Mifanta Akili said that you need to be justified when and how you lead a public peaceful protest against the North banditry blood flowing. If not, you are a mere abuser to Northerners, and by doing so, the NSACs now clearly will not be stopped. Your hypocritical activism against Nigerians and Nigerians. See nonsense. You and who? Where are you since? Where are you when innocent kids, women, old and young Arewa people are being kidnapped and terrorized? I beg, don't vex me this night. Another person said that, where is your voice to end bandits and Boko Haram? Your generations will not forgive you. How does NSACs has anything to do with North or South? Why can't we all stand for our brothers and sisters to be safe in Nigeria? It is a pity because when it comes to North, it will get worse. Stop dividing Nigeria. We are one. We are not standing for our brother in the South. We are standing for ourselves. No region in Nigeria is free from police brutality. In the North free, is it not free from menace? Not at all. TF, are you talking about? What are you talking about? You fools are not representing any Northerners on this app or the entire 19 northern states at large. You are not speaking of us now, and you will never speak for us. We have our own voices, and we are saying that end SARS now, end police brutality, and end North banditry. Thank you, viewers, for listening to this news. Viewers, here are the reactions of the Northerners. Insulting, criticizing Arewa. President Muhammadu Buhari is from Arewa. The Northerners are the ones insulting and telling Arewa all of this, that shame on them, that they are not capable of saving their people, that with what they have done or they are doing to their fellow brothers and sisters, that their generations will not forgive them. And that is true. Do you know that these Northerners are referring to President Muhammadu Buhari because President Muhammadu Buhari is from Arewa? Yes, it's from Arewa. So since President Muhammadu Buhari is unable to put a stop to all these crises, calamities happening in the country, to put a stop to defeat Boko Haram, then all the ethnic group, or should I say all the tribes in the country, would definitely criticize it, including the Northerners. The Northerners are the ones that put him in that seat, so they have the right to say whatever they want to say. If the person they made the president is misbehaving, this is not right. This is not the right time to bring this thing to play. Sanwo-Ore, who is the leader of the revolution now tries to hijack the movement. But what happened? It was not successful. He was later abused, arrested by the so-called Buhari. This is absolute rubbish. It's absolute rubbish. Other people don't even really know what you're doing. When you all should agree for a particular thing. So we to agree to represent Nigerians, to represent other tribes, you are here saying all sorts of nonsense. Imagine. They have never done anything to the north. They only bring stupid agendas every time. They will only bring stupid agendas. Instead of them to do the right thing, they will not. President Muhammadu Buhari is some Arewa, as I've said before. Look at what is happening. Look at what he's doing. I've noticed that Arewa people, they don't care about their brothers and sisters. They don't even want to know how others are faring. They don't want to know. So Arewa brothers should send voices. And issue counter press releases with